problems on exercise 3. So, in motion in straight line, so the problem number fourth one, the position x of a particle, it is varies with time, that is x is equal to a t square minus of b t cube. The position of particle x, it is varies with time, x is equal to a t square minus of b t cube. The acceleration of the particle will be 0 at time interval t. So acceleration is 0 at what time interval? That is t is equal to 2. Then time interval is equal to what? If acceleration is 0. Right? This is question. Then first we can find the velocity. Velocity is equal to rate of change of displacement. Therefore, d by dt of a t square minus of a t cube. So, what is that? Derivative of x power n. Formula is n into x power n minus 1. So, this is formula of derivative. Therefore, d by dt of a t square minus of d by dt of vt cube. So, therefore, a into derivative of what is that? T square minus of d into derivative of t cube, right? So it is in the form of x power n, then formula is a into 2t, next minus of b, that is 3 into b into what is that? T square. Okay, so this is b, right, as it is here, derivative of t power 3, that is 3t square, right. So this is what is that? Velocity. Now we can find acceleration next. This is velocity. Next one, acceleration. Acceleration is equal to rate of change of velocity, that is dv divided by dt, d by dt of what is that? 2at minus of 3bt square. Again we can apply derivative. Therefore 2a into dt by dt minus of 3b into dt by dt of t square. Therefore 2a minus of 3b into 2t, right. So this value is equal to what is it? A is equal to 2a minus of 6b t, 6b t. Here acceleration it is equal to 0. Therefore 0 is equal to 2a minus of 6b t, right. Therefore 6b t is equal to, then 2a, here 2 1 ja, 2 3 ja, therefore t is equal to a by 3b, right. Next, hold it. Third one, a particle is moving with uniform retardation. Uniform retardation. Retardation means what is it? Negative acceleration means velocity gradually decreases. So here first one 18 meters in 1 second assume. In what is it? Next second is what is it? That is 18 meters. Next 2 seconds later, what is it? 14 meters. 14 meters. In this interval, it is 14 meters. meters, right? Next one. So, and 10 meters in the successive intervals. This is 10 meter in this successive interval. Successive intervals means equal time intervals, right? So 18 meters in first one, and second, what is it? 14 meters. Next, what is it? 10 meters. Then, and it come to rest after traveling further distance, and it come to rest. Okay, further it will be traveling a distance, that is x. Okay, here final velocity is become 0, right? So what is the further distance it will be covering? Okay, whenever it is come to rest, right? This is question. In first interval covering distance is 18, next interval covering distance is 14, and next 10, and so on further distance covered. Here first distance expression s is equal to ut plus half t square from equation of motion. Equation. So first distance, what is that? 18. Next, initial speed we doesn't know. Initial speed we doesn't know. So u into t1, right, plus half into a acceleration, retardation, that is negative acceleration we doesn't know, that is t value, it is also 1. Therefore 18 is equal to u plus a by 2. This is equation 1, right? So t is equal to 1 second. Next, t is equal to 2 seconds. Then 1 plus 1, that is 18 plus 4, total distance, that is equal to u into 2. This is 14, right? Then plus half into a into 2 square, right? So therefore 18 plus 14, what is that? Then 40, 32, 32, that is 2u plus 1 by 2 into a into 4, 2 and 2, 2, right? So 3, 2, that is equal to u plus 2 into a. So 2 take common cancel it, then 16 is equal to u plus a. Then equation, what is it? 2. Then, so first we can find the velocity and what is that? Retardation a value. Then after we can substitute. So from this equation 1 and 2, equation 1 and 2, then here 18, that is equal to u plus a by 2. Next 16, it is equal to u plus a. Solve it. Then from this, so what is that? 18 minus of 16, 2, you get cancel, a minus of a by 2 minus of a by 2, that is minus of a by 2. A is equal to minus of 4 meter per second square. This is retardation. Means 4 meter per second square is, what is that? Decreasing. Okay. It will be coming with negative acceleration. Okay. So the distance will be gradually decreases. And what is the initial speed? Initial speed u value we can find. So this value, above value, substitute in equation 1 or 2, any one. So what you are getting? 18, that is equal to u minus of 4 by 2 1 ja, 2 ja, right? U is equal to 18 plus 2, that is equal to 20 meter per second. This is initial speed. And next, what is that here? What is the distance covered in the, what is that? Last interval. That is, what is the speed of the vehicle at this point? We can find what is the speed, right? So speed v is equal to u plus at, right? V is velocity, that is equal to here u value we can determine minus so u value it is given, that is 20, right. Then a acceleration, that is minus of 4 into time t, therefore time interval is what is it, first, second, next one is what is it, third, that is third. Then velocity v it is equal to 20 minus of, so t value it is already substituted. Next what is it, 12, v is equal to 8 meter per second. That means here initial velocity it is equal to 20 meter per second, and our particle is coming to retardation, means brake force is applied, then velocity gradually decrease and distance covered is also decreases. So velocity at this point it is what is it, 8. Then final distance covered we can find v square minus of u square, that is equal to 2as. Here velocity v, that is u, is equal to 8 meter per second. After reaching to final point, final velocity become 0. Then acceleration is e is equal to minus 4. We can find s. S is question mark. Then 8 square minus what is it? Sorry, v0, 0 square minus of 8 square, that is equal to minus of 4 into s minus of 64, that is equal to 16 years. Then 8, so 4 to 8 actually. So s is equal to 8 meters. Right. Next is 3t, it is equal to root 3x plus 6. Right. So this is relation describes the position of particle in one dimension, where x is in meters, t is in seconds, the displacement when the velocity is 0. Velocity e is equal to 0. What is the displacement? Then so here we can, what is that, first we can find this velocity, later we can equate to 0, and here from that we can calculate the displacement. Therefore root 3x is equal, then 3t minus of 6, root 3x it is equal to 3, take common, t minus of 2, right, squaring on both sides. Here when we are squaring 3x square, that is equal to 3 3s are 9, t minus of 2 whole square, 3 1 yeah, 3 3s are 9. Therefore x square is equal to 3 into t square plus 4 minus of 2 2 4 into t. This is a minus of b whole square expression. Then x square is equal to 3t square plus 4 3s are 12 and 4 3s are 12 into t. Right. Now we can find what is that, velocity. Actually this is root 3 of what is that, x. 3x is up to here. Okay, you can take it. Right. Then so square root get cancelled, you will get 3x. Then velocity, what is the velocity? Velocity v is equal to rate of change of displacement d by dt of what is it, x value you can substitute 3t square plus 12 minus of 12t. Then derivative, therefore dx by dt means velocity, that is equal 3 into 2t plus derivative term of that next one is 0 minus of 12, right? Then v is equal to 60 minus of 12, but here velocity is equal to 0 condition. Substituting the 0 is equal to 60 minus of 12, 60 is equal to 12, 6 1 ja, 6 2 ja, t value is 2 seconds, and find the displacement, okay, after 2 seconds. Therefore s value is nothing but x value here, x or s, both of them is called displacements. So therefore 3 into the t value you can substitute in the equation 1, 2, that is equal to root over, otherwise we can substitute into this equation. Then so you can substitute directly into this equation, that is x is equal to 3 into t minus of 2 whole square. We will get direct, that is x is equal to 3 into 2 minus of 2 whole square. X is equal to 3 into 0 square. Therefore 0 into something is 0 meters. Perfect. Next 0. Slow Russian. Here the electron starting from rest. Electron it is starting from rest, means initial speed is 0. Next has a velocity that increases nearly with a time. V is equal to what is that? K into T. So electron it is moving from rest condition and it attains the final velocity is kt, where k is given is at 2 meter per second square. That means this is the acceleration is given. Then next, what is it? The distance traveled in first 3 seconds. What is the distance traveled in the first 3 seconds? Or s is equal to right. So velocity is expression is given. Then velocity is nothing but ds by dt. Substitute here ds by dt, that is equal to k into t. Therefore ds is equal to k into t into dt. Now we are going to find out this, what is it? Displacement within the interval t is equal to 0 to t is equal to 3 seconds. So 0 to 3, here 0 to 3. Therefore s is equal to k value. Substitute to next integration 0 to 3 t dt. Therefore s is equal to 2 into t square by 2. 0 to 3. To get cancelled, then that is 3 square minus of 0, that is 9 meter displacement.